or welcome back to my channel. So if you guys are new here, hi, this is Treyoshi and welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys the ultimate moisturizer for this summer, and like I got so many of messages especially for summer skincare, so I thought ki I need to give you like a proper video for moisturizer, because we can't skip moisturizer though it's summer, like summer or monsoon you can say, but still you have to use moisturizer. So generally there are 5 basic skin types around us, so I'm gonna recommend you like every skin type ke liye I'm gonna recommend morning moisturizer and night moisturizer. So hopefully this video will help you a lot. So if you guys are interested, please keep on watching. Okay, so first let me tell you the 5 different kind of a skin type. First oily, second dry, a third which is like the most common skin type is acne prone, and fourth is sensitive, and fifth is combinational. Okay, so first I'm going to start with from oily skin type. So if you don't have like a acne prone skin but still you have oily skin, so try this too. So for morning use this is Pond's Super Light Oil Free Moisturizer. You might have seen this moisturizer a lot, and this is one of the best moisturizer for oily skin. So you can see that it's absolutely a gel based formula, and it's kind of replica of like Neutrogena Aqua Bomb, and oh my god, this moisturizer is freaking good, and when you apply it you can't even feel that you have applied moisturizer, and it's perfect for morning. Okay, so for my oily skin girl babies, try this at night. This is Plum Green Tea Clarifying Night Gel, and I almost like run through it. You can see that it's almost empty, and you can see I'm heating the pan also. It's absolutely like perfect for like oily skin. It's extremely light, but yet it's heavy. I mean, when you are going to apply it on your face, you can't even feel that you have applied something, but it's like the moisturizing effect of this product is much greater than this one. So try this at morning and try this at night. Okay, so now next move on to dry skin person. Like generally few people have dry skin, but if you have dry skin I can feel your pain, because my mom has dry skin and I know how much she had suffered. So first I'm going to start with a morning cream. This is Lakme Peach Milk Ultra Light Gel, but it will give you like a 24-hour moisture lock, and it's absolutely perfect for dry skin girl because it's gel, so it will not give you that sticky kind of a effect, yet it has like an extreme level of moisturizing effect. Okay, so for night I will suggest this is Mother's Sparsh moisturizer, and it's really thick and heavy. So if you have like an extreme level of dry skin, try this. You are going to love it, and but the best part is that after using it will absorb into your skin very quickly, and it will give you a powdery effect. But the consistency of this moisturizer is so freaking thick. Like if you have like an extreme oily skin, just avoid this. But if you have a dry skin girl, you are going to love this. My ma loves this a lot, and trust me, after using this her skin heals a lot. Okay, so now next move on to the most common problem around us is this acne prone. So now I'm going to suggest a moisturizer for acne prone skin person, क्योंकि acne prone के लिए सबसे ज़्यादा problem होता है कि उसको आपको control करना होता है first of all, and second of all after acne and pimples जो mark रह जाता है उसको remove करना is like, oh my god, it's like a pain. So for that the ultimate solution has to be Derma-Co, because if you have any kind of a skin issue especially related to acne, pimple or pigmentation, the only solution is Derma-Co. So for that for morning moisturizer only use this one. I will not suggest anything else. This is 5% niacinamide face cream for acne pimple marks, and this product is like a life savior for me because I am a girl of acne prone, pimple and everything freaking things I have on my face, but you can't even detect just because of the Derma-Co products. I am constantly using Dermaco products now. I am like, I can't use anything else Dermaco. So it has SPF 20 in it, so it's absolutely for day cream. But if you can use it as a night too, sometimes I use it as a night too. So oh my god, this product will show you result within a week. So not only it will help to control your, because it has niacinamide, so it will ultimately control your acne and pimples, but like sebum control karega ye. Second of all, it will remove the mark. Oh my god, just try this, you are going to love this. For night I am going to suggest you this is Fruit AHA Skin Revitalizer for acne and pimple marks, exactly same, but try this at night because it's little bit of heavy, but it's not sticky, because acne prone skin like 99% लोगों को होता है, ऑयली स्किन टाइप को ही एक्नी प्रोन होता है, क्योंकि ड्राई स्किन पे ऐसा नहीं होता है जनरली. सो बट कुछ लोगों को होता है. बट एनीवे, सो ट्राई दिस एट नाइट. द कंसिस्टेंसी ऑफ दिस two products are like perfect. The thought of making this product is so freaking good. Like if you have dry skin, still you can use it. If you have oily skin, still you can use it, because it's only for acne prone skin. So try this two combo, like your skin gonna heal within just 1 to 2 weeks. Like if you have like a controllable acne pimple marks, so it will gone within 1 week, but if you have extreme, max to max it will take 2 to 3 weeks. Trust me, you are going to love it. Okay, so now I'm going to suggest a moisturizer for sensitive skin person, because sensitive skin is very hard to maintain, and we generally don't found like too much of people having sensitive skin, especially photosensitivity. So the ultimate moisturizer I'm gonna suggest you for sensitivity is this. This is Wow Apple Cider Oil Free Face Moisturizer, and it's specially for your sensitivity and face itchiness. And oh my god, trust me guys, this moisturizer is like one of the best moisturizer for sensitivity, and it's specially for sensitivity. Like if you have acne prone problem and oily skin problem, you can use it too, but I will only suggest you that if you have like a redness, itchiness, photosensitivity, and which is like everything I have, so I have to use almost everything. इसलिए मुझे स्किन केयर बहुत जल्दी चेंज करना होता है, because I have oily skin, sensitive skin, photosensitivity, and I have acne prone skin. I have like, oh my god, my skin is hell. Okay, so try this, and trust me guys, this is one of the best moisturizer for sensitive skin person, and you can use it morning and night too, because the consistency is freaking good, and the smell is delicious. So for sensitive skin guard, only moisturizer you need to use is this. Last but not the least is combinational skin. So combinational skin generally होता है कि T zone बहुत ज़्यादा oily होता है, and this portion becomes very dry, जो कि winter पे मेरी skin पे होता है. But some people have like a permanent combinational skin dry, like summer winter हमेशा ही उसका combination ही रहता है. That's why I'm gonna suggest you the mixed product, because combinational skin के लिए क्या होता है, मॉर्निंग से लेकर आफ्टरनून तक देयर स्किन फील्स वेरी ऑयली, स्पेशली टी जोन पे, एंड नाइट पे इन टर्न्स टू ड्राई. सो मॉर्निंग पे यूज दिस क्रीम. दिस इज जो कि मैंने ऑयली स्किन लोगों के लिए भी सजेस्ट किया था. दिस इज पॉन्ड्स सुपर लाइट जेल, एब्सोल्युटली गुड फॉर लाइक कॉम्बिनेशनल स्किन एज अ मॉर्निंग क्रीम. ट्रस्ट मी, यू आर गोइंग टू लव इट. For night, try this one. This is 10% lactic acid for dullness and pigmentation. So generally if you have a combinational skin, ultimately you will get a dark patch around hair, around nose, around mouth area, because you have like a two kind of a skin type. It will give you the pigmentation, so it's perfect for if you have combinational skin. And trust me, after you like, it's again from Dermaco, so it's highly active, and it has lactic acid. Like it will remove your pigmentation from your face like outstandingly, and it's specially for night, so do not use it at morning. No matter what you are using, do not use any active ingredients morning pe. And if you have extreme level of sensitive skin, do not use it, because it has lactic acid, so it can make your skin more sensitive. So if you have sensitive skin, do not use it. But if you have oily skin and acne prone skin, you can totally use it. Even if you have dry skin and if you are suffering from dry patches, you can use it. So except sensitive skin, every kind of a skin type girl and boys can use it at night only, because it's specially for night. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Hope this video will help you a lot. I am gonna attach all the links in the description box, so don't worry about that. And hopefully you don't have any question about like what should you use and what should not. So hopefully this video is the ultimate video for moisturizer. So yeah, if you like this video, do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up. It will mean a lot for me. And also don't forget to subscribe because it's free. Okay, so see you guys on my next video. Till then, bye, stay happy, and the most importantly, stay positive and stay healthy. Bye bye.